Alright, two common problems I've heard people having is getting these 3 screws undone. That is easy with an impact driver, and you have to have a number 3, if it'll focus, a number 3 screw or driver bit. Then the other problem is getting this rod disconnected from right here. This is very, very easy. All you have to do is you need something like this, flat and narrow right here. So what you do is you flip this plastic piece up and off of the rod, and then take your wrench or whatever you're going to pry with, put it under the rod right there up against this metal piece, and then all you're going to do is lever back this way. So get it up under there and then just lever this way and it'll pop right out.